to Chicago.
What did you say?
We're going to Chicago.
How did you know that?
Chicago.
How did you know we're going there?
Because the airport told me.
All right, let's go. Let's go board.
Have you been to Chicago? I mean, yes. Yes.
Boys, what do you think about the pizza?
You can have some of our areas as well. Some of our areas. Start doing that.
What are you boys doing?
I'm making the snow slow down like a racetrack.
Did you do it? Awesome. All right, let me have the tool. That's it. Katie, you can take your fingers off now. So we're learning about Africa today. Can you name 5 African countries? Aiden! Okay, tell me, which one? Ethan? Aiden?
Ghana.
Good. Ethan?
Kenya.
Good. Aiden? Aiden?
South South Pole?
South what? It's at the south. South what, Ethan?
Africa.
South Africa. Aiden? You went there and you saw mummies.
Egypt.
Egypt. Okay, Ethan. You went there and you went riding in the desert on a camel. Aiden. Which one? Tell me, I can't hear you. Then what is it? I don't think Ethan remembers. What's the name of it? Morocco. Good job. Do you know what kind of pizza this is?
Yeah.
What type?
Right.
Deep dish pizza, silly.
I said right.
You said great pizza? Who's ready for a slice? All right. Hi, Aiden. Come here. Is it snowing today? It is snowing a little bit today. Are you cold today?
Going to the Willis Tower.
Let's go into the Willis Tower. All right. What are you guys looking at? So the visibility is really bad. We can't really see anything because it's cloudy and it's snowy.
It's almost snowy.
Okay. Oh. Did you see that?
So it is really hot, just be careful.
It's really hot. Be careful, okay? Say thank you. There. Whoa. Awesome.